Welcome to 3320 Scarsborough Avenue, Toledo, Ohio. In this meticulously remodeled home, top to bottom, all of this being done in the last 4 years, I have 4 bedrooms with the potential for 6. I have 2 full baths. I have a dedicated gym space and your own private master wing with an office. Get ready to enjoy. Get ready to enjoy this stunning kitchen with this massive island, soft close cabinetry, a deep sink, and the appliances stay. With all this natural light, makes for a beautiful place to enjoy summertime. Welcome to your master wing. We have a dedicated office space here. Could easily be turned into another bedroom. You come off over here, we have the master and the dedicated laundry right off the master. Let's take a look. We have a master suite here. It is incredibly large, which leads us directly into the bathroom over here. Natural light, massive space. But we're not done. We're going to come back here. So, this is one of the coolest features about this home. Gym space. Get ready to enjoy this. Everything in this home has been meticulously touched. We have a installed in 2021 circle drive, not to mention the sidewalks out front. We have a colored and stamped concrete patio leading into a massive 0.67 yard. A secondary garage as well with a $12,000 fence, making this incredibly private and ready for you to enjoy. Call me today.